How do they scratch it?
No, they doesn't scratch it.
How do they scratch it? With their feet?
No, they doesn't. It's that.
Like how?
Yeah.
How do they do it?
Scratch the feet.
Like that?
Yeah.
They scratch it like that?
Yeah, 'cause the skin are itchy.
Yeah.
In the woods, in the itchy ears.
And they have itchy ears?
Yeah, I have an itchy ear.
You have an itchy ear?
Yeah, over here.
Really?
And I was scratching it really bad.
You're scratching it really bad?
Yeah. And the scratching makes you feel better.
Scratching makes it feel better?
Yeah.
That's good.